Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the Harlem Globetrotters. Now, let's put what you've learned to the test. Here we go. Are the Harlem Globetrotters a traditional NBA team? No. They are an entertainment basketball team known for comedy and tricks. Were the Globetrotters created in the 1980s? No, they were founded in the 1920s. Do the Globetrotters mix basketball with music and humor? Yes, that's what makes their shows so entertaining. Were African American players always allowed in pro leagues when the Globetrotters began? No. They played during a time of racial segregation. Have the Globetrotters played only in the United States? No, they performed in over 120 countries. Did the Globetrotters help pave the way for African Americans in the NBA? Yes, they played an important role in sports history. Are the Globetrotters only focused on entertainment? No. They also promote values like education and respect. Do the Globetrotters usually lose their games? No, they almost always win, but the games are designed for fun, not competition. Have they performed for world leaders and royalty? Yes, they've entertained audiences around the globe, including presidents and popes. Is Nat Sweetwater Clifton connected to the Harlem Globetrotters? Yes, he played for them before becoming the first African American in the NBA. Watch this video again to strengthen what you've learned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep discovering more about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.